Mild steel is often used on features around the house. If not protected properly, mild steel will rust. So let's have a look at the ways to repair rusty patches on mild steel. The best way to coat, protect and beautify your metal surfaces is to follow a simple three-step process. First clean, then prime, and then finally paint the metal surface. The first step is to remove the rust. If you're working on a large area of metal or the rust is very bad, then use a wire brush fitted to an angled grinder or a drill to provide some power to do the job. If there are any areas which are difficult to sand, remove as much of the loose rust as possible and then apply a coat of rust converter. The rust converter will convert the rust into a durable surface that will be rust resistant. This will turn black once the product has reacted with the rust. Once dry, you can apply the Plascon Metal Care Mild Steel Primer to the bare metal and converted areas before the final top coat. If you're working on a previously painted surface, you only need to cover the bare metal areas with primer, and a brush will generally be suitable for the application. Allow the primer to dry for the time specified by the manufacturer. Now we're ready to apply the top coats. We're using the sponge roller with just a little paint in the bottom of a paint tray. As with the primers, enamels have traditionally been oil-based. There's a big swing towards water-based enamels for metals. Application is easier, drying time is shortened, so you can get 2 coats done in one day, and you can clean the brushes and rollers with water at the end of the job. A second coat will provide a lovely finish and give the surface protection for many years. If you follow this three-step process, clean, prime and paint, the durability and attractiveness of the finish on your metal surfaces can be greatly enhanced.